Hi, this is Miss Lourdes, and in this video we will be making small houses using cardboard. We will only be focusing on the structure, and in the next video we will be painting them. For this project you will be needing cardboard, scissors, glue, and a pencil and ruler to measure with. Let's begin. So the first thing I do is measure the sides of my house. I'm going to make each side 2 inches, so I make 4 marks 2 inches apart. Here I am just marking how tall I want my house to be. I will cut along this line. Cut any excess cardboard, but do leave some extra on one of the sides as a tab where you will be gluing your structure together. This next part is called scoring. I use the scissors edge to trace each line gently to make a crease, so it will help me make a neater fold. You can also cut out a door and windows. So this is when I realized that the cardboard I initially used was too flimsy. The previous house I had made was much more solid, so I changed the cardboard and did exactly the same steps. So just experiment with what materials you have and see what works best in the end. So here's a new one that I made. Now to make a roof, I cut out a rectangle shape, folded it in half, and will attach with tabs. And that is it. Make sure to watch the next video where we will be painting our houses. That's it for today. See you next time.